This is breaking news. XRP has seen a major utility spike reaching a record high on the back of another SEC failure, another SEC rejection that is incoming. This is absolutely massive. Now we'll be getting into the latest SEC settlement updates a little later on, and trust me, you'll want to stick around for it. But as we can see, XRP's on-chain activity spikes to a 7-month high and the adjusted volume grows 112.57%. Now this is absolutely insane. As we get into this, we can see that in a recent tweet, renowned market intelligence platform Sentiment shared that XRP has seen a spike in utility. Sentiment noted that the uptick in major utility for XRP follows the start of September. Now I want you to keep that in mind, the start of September, as this date is very relevant and very important in relation to the rest of this video. The intelligence firm revealed that XRP has reached a significant milestone in on-chain transactions on the first day of September. In particular, Sentiment mentioned that XRP's on-chain transaction volume reached a record high of 4.84 billion XRP, 4.84 billion on September 1st. So 4.84 billion XRP tokens were being transferred on-chain in just one day. This is absolutely huge news, and actually this is the highest number of transactions seen since the 1st of February, exactly 7 months ago. Now what exactly sparked this massive surge in volume, 4.84 billion XRP tokens being transacted? Well, as you probably know, yesterday on September 1st, again there's that date, Ripple responded to the SEC's motion for permission to file an interlocutory appeal, and this response blew up in the SEC's face. The SEC incorrectly argues that the question of law requirements does nothing more than exclude cases involving genuine fact disputes and allows interlocutory appeals of cases involving the application of law to facts. Hypocrites philosopher, they're all hypocrites. As we can see, pro XRP lawyer and Coinbase CLO believe that the SEC's interlocutory appeal is destined for failure. This is a massive win for XRP and one step closer to a settlement deal. And as it stands, honestly, that may be the SEC's only option at this point. As Ashley Prosper highlighted here, whilst Ripple and the SEC continue in their public legal battle, let's not forget that they already have the option of scheduling 3 mutually convenient settlement conferences. Both parties are directed to contact Courtroom Deputy Rachel Slusher with 3 mutually convenient dates to schedule a settlement conference. Now, obviously, the SEC has been under increasing scrutiny as of late for its seemingly inconsistent and irrational arguments in its enforced actions against cryptocurrency companies. And this plays a massive factor into why John Deaton, the XRP lawyer, and Paul Grubel, the Coinbase CLO, believe that this interlocutory appeal will be rejected by Judge Torres. The judges and courts have criticised the SEC's position, calling them arbitrary and capricious, with Judge Netber labelling the inconsistencies in the argument as hypocrisy in the Ripple lawsuit, according to Times tabloid. And John Deaton has drawn attention to this fact, further stating that there is no way this appeal will get certified. And all of this news, as I said, happened on September 1st. Hence why there was a record high spike in XRP transaction volume. In fact, the highest unique XRP transfer made was over 2 billion XRP, which is insane. And the value has grown from $748 million to $1.59 billion, resulting in a 112.57% increase in just 3 to 4 days. And there's a likelihood that this could continue in a similar fashion, not just because Ripple's adoption and use cases continues to grow. With the response from Ripple and this massive blunder from the SEC, the next date we are looking for is the 8th of September, where the SEC will file its reply, if any. And what is occurring one day before? A closed Sunshine Act meeting where they'll be discussing all things settlement, as we can see. Institutions and settlement of injunctive actions, institutions and settlement of administrative proceedings, resolutions and litigation claims, and other matters relating to examinations and enforcement proceedings. Thank you for watching the video, and remember, it's just a coin.